Right, let's carry on. And at the end of the last video, this is where we left off, halfway through installing MetaMask on our Chrome browser. We're now at this page, and it says here, secure your wallet. And there's a short video here. It's only 90 seconds. I really do recommend you watch this video. It's all about security, so obviously very important. And it says here, before getting started, watch this short video to learn about your secret recovery phrase. I mentioned that in the last video, but we're going to look at it a little bit more in this video and how to keep your wallet safe. So let's get really clear here. I really want you to understand this. What exactly is this secret recovery phrase? Well, why don't we let MetaMask themselves tell us?
Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access.
Okay, so it's a phrase that's exclusive to you. Should you ever share this with anybody? What have I said? I think you know the answer. No, never. And here's the thing. MetaMask don't even know this secret recovery phrase either. So if you lose it and then for whatever reason you can't log in to MetaMask, maybe you change computer and you want to log in, then you're in trouble. So don't lose this secret recovery phrase, okay? And don't share it with anybody else. So let's go and set all this up. Let me click on next. And again, it's warning us here. Again, it warns us loads of times. Never disclose this to anybody. Anybody with this phrase can log in and essentially take, if they wanted to, whatever is in your online account. So I'm going to click here to reveal my secret words. Now, you might be thinking, hang on, Chris. You're just going on about don't share this with anybody, and yet you're showing the words in a video. Well done if you're thinking that, by the way. It shows you're really thinking about this. Yes, you're correct. But by the time you see this video, I will have deleted this MetaMask installation using these words. Sorry about that, because I know what you were thinking. Oh, I'm going to log into Farrell's MetaMask. Now, these 12 words here, I'm going to copy them, and I'm going to put them back in that document here. I'll show you why. I always like to be very organized and keep everything... Oops, let's make that a little bit bigger. That's a little bit bigger still, and keep everything nice and neat and organized. Now, here are my 12 words, and I'm just going to separate them so I can see them one at a time, and there's a reason for this, for what we're about to do. So I'm just quickly making it a little bit easier to read in a column here. And now you will see, okay, so there are my 12 words. Let me expand that a little bit. There are my 12 words. Now, let's click next. And now we're being asked to confirm our secret recovery phrase that we have just made a note of. So you will need to make a note of it. It says here, please select each phrase in order to make sure it is correct. So here's the list in order. Swear. So that's the first word I was given. So where's swear here? There we go. So I click on that and look, it populates up there. And we do it for all of them. So plunge, half, sort are the next ones in this order. Plunge, half, sort. Genes supreme expand. Genes supreme expand. Decrease ritual version. Decrease ritual version. Dove enter. Dove, oops, dove enter. Great. So I populated them in the order that I was presented with them. Let's click confirm. Congratulations, I passed the test. This is great. Again, it reminds us of security, all that sort of good stuff. Now, again, remember I talked about this when having your password. Make sure you save this. I'm going to do it right now, in fact. There we go. Save. Because these are golden. This is your secret phrase. You can't ever get this from anywhere ever again. So don't think I'll save it later. Save it now, and I'd even write it down and keep it somewhere safe. Otherwise, as I keep saying, if you need to log back into MetaMask, if your browser crashes, if you buy a new computer, if you want to install it on another computer and you want to use the same MetaMask online wallet, you will need this. Okay, right, now let's click all done. And we are in. We are into MetaMask. Right. Tell you what I'm going to do. Again, let's keep this video... how are we for duration? Yeah, let's wrap this up. So let's summarize. What do we accomplish in this video? Well, we went and installed MetaMask, didn't we? I know we haven't really looked at it. We're going to come on to that, don't worry. So what do I want you to do now? Aini, what do What do I want everyone to do? Well, nothing actually. Please don't go and install it right now. I'll go and tell you when to install MetaMask. It will be very soon because firstly, I want to show you how to find it. It's very easy to find, but I want to show you kind of where exactly it is on your browser, so how you can find it moving forward. In fact, we'll go and do that in the next video. Feeling good? Feeling excited? Let me know below in the comments. Please post a comment and see you in the next video.